The continuing spread of the Delta strain of the coronavirus has some calling for the return of a mask mandate here in the city.
Mayor de Blasio is resisting those calls, banking on vaccines to keep the virus under control. But the coming return of kids to school in a few weeks is raising other issues. CBS 2's John Diaz joins us live from City Hall in Lower Manhattan with more. Good morning, John.
Good morning to both of you. Yeah, well, it is an apparent battle between some city council members and Mayor Bill de Blasio about how New York City should move forward when it comes to COVID, with eventually more people heading back indoors. And by now, we have all learned that that is how COVID is spread easier. This morning, there are increasing calls to reinstate COVID protocols citywide. Mark Traeger, the chair of the City Council's Committee on Education, saying on Twitter, in part, DOE should offer a fall remote option for kids not of vaccination age. And Councilman Mark Levine, the chair of the Health Committee and Democratic nominee for Manhattan Borough President, is pushing for the reinstatement of the indoor mask mandate.
At a minimum, a recommendation, guidance from public health authorities.
In the city, the daily case count average is 516. The positivity rate is 1.69%, with hospitalizations at 0.35 per 100,000 cases. But the mayor is not budging on adding back the rules.
Masks are not going at the root of the problem. Vaccination is. Vaccination is the reason we're in a very, very different situation than other parts of the country that are suffering.
De Blasio says New Yorkers have stepped up. 4.5 million fully vaccinated. That's 53.5% of the population.
If you're vaccinated, you are safer, period.
That includes Marcy Goldberg, who believes New York handled its COVID response better than anywhere else in the country.
I have very little fear of walking around the Upper West Side or anywhere in Manhattan.
Over 98% of people who have been hospitalized or died as a result of COVID-19 this year in New York City are not fully vaccinated. So the choice is clear.
Even more so now than before, says the city health commissioner, as the Delta variant stands responsible for 69% of city COVID cases.
It is actually a more dangerous time right now to be unvaccinated, given how contagious the Delta variant is.
And City Councilman Mark Levine believes that a mask mandate actually could inspire some sort of solidarity amongst New Yorkers. However, though, that logic is receiving some pushback. We're live this morning from Lower Manhattan here at City Hall. John Diaz, CBS 2 News.
John, thank you.